Hey, the online bullies will tell you they would never use a push connector. That's not true. There are millions of these sold every year. They will make your life so much easier. I've seen them in all sorts of homes, including multi-million-dollar mansions. Everybody's using them, the quick plumbing fixture push to connect. You can change that out yourself without calling a plumber and save hundreds of dollars. For this quick rapid repair, you do need to turn off the main water for the house, but this would be a pretty simple fix. You need no plumbing skills whatsoever. I'm going to use two simple crescent wrenches. Okay, so this nut right here is attached to the fixture. We need to remove that. So with one of the wrenches, I want you to hold onto the valve, and with the larger wrench, we're going to grab that nut and start to loosen it. Now this nut has been on there for years, so it does take some effort, but now I can feel it starting to go. A little bit of water is normal. You'll have a rag or a towel on standby. Also take off the toilet flex connector. Probably should have did this first. If it's in good condition, we can reuse it. So for the ferrule puller, you just need to insert this piece first into the 1/2-inch pipe. Then this piece, slide that over, and you want your nut to screw into that. And then next, take your ferrule puller, your thread, and screw it into this. What it's doing is it's pushing them apart, and if you look right there, you see it coming towards me, and it's walking it right off that pipe without damaging the copper pipe. $15 tool will save a plumbing call for sure. Okay, next we want to remove that disgusting escutcheon plate that's been on there way too long. Also got some sandpaper to clean that copper pipe. This quick connector works with copper, PEX, or CPVC. Of course, the magic to the system, the quick angled stop, rated for copper, PEX, and CPVC, 1/2-inch, which is standard for residential plumbing. This was only an $11 part. The magic is here. You'll be successful as long as you push it in the correct depth. You make sure there's no burrs or damage to the pipe. It's still rounded and relatively clean. And there's no magic here. You're literally just going to push it in. Now, if you have an older house, I have seen these pipes be loose in the wall. And if you just shove this in, the pipe might go on the wall. So be mindful of that. This one feels pretty firm. Here's the new escutcheon plate. This particular one does have a release there. It's got a little slit so you can slide it over the pipe and it'll snap back together. Okay, like I said earlier, if your flex connector is still in good condition, go ahead and reuse that. These are 3/8-inch flex connectors. The braided ones are better than the rubber ones, and they come in different lengths, like 8 inches long, 12 inches long, 16 inches long. You don't need any Teflon tape on these grooves because there is a rubber washer already in there. Oh, on this particular angle stop, you do need to remove that nut first. You don't have to go crazy tight here, just snug it up pretty good. Okay, now on this angle stop, it's really cool, quarter turn. So up towards the connector toilet is on, and to the right is off. It's really cool, quarter turn. Okay, now we're gonna go turn on the main water valve and check for leaks. Okay, with the water back on, you can just run your fingers under there and check for leaks. This was previous water, nothing current, dry. Okay, with the angle stop, go ahead and open that up. Now you can check for leaks here. The toilet's filling nicely. You did it. This part, the escutcheon plate, $2. The push connector angle stop for your toilet, $11. Reuse the flex connector. We did end up using a ferrule puller, which was $15. All in, you're less than $50. A professional plumber for this job, $300 on up, depending on which part of the country you're in. You've saved hundreds and hundreds of dollars.